All right, this is Mr. Andrews coming to you live from Army, actually at a pit stop right now, but wanted to talk about box and whisker plots. So box and whisker plots are ways to display data so that we can know how much of the data set falls in each part. We're going to go through it more in detail on the next slide, but we're talking today about box and whisker.
All right, so the vocab that we need to get down, there are two things. Quartile is the first one. Quartile means 25% of a data set. Write that down. 25% of a data set means that if you had, let's say, four scores for a test, let's say it's 88, 90, 92, and 95, your bottom quartile would be just the 88. Your top quartile would be just the 95. So a quartile is literally 25% of a data set. The next piece of vocab that you need to know is box and whisker plot. So a box and whisker plot is simply a graph that displays numerical data through quartiles. So each part of this box and whisker plot is a quartile. So this is a quartile, this is a quartile, this is a quartile, this is a quartile. This part right here, the center part, this is a median. When you put these two quartiles together, this is the middle 50% of the data. So if you had this on a number line, oh, another thing, whenever you have a box and whisker plot, you've got to have a number line. So if you had it on a number line, you'd have 88 down here at the lowest. You'd have 90 here, 90, 92, and then 95. So your median right in between 90 and 92 would actually be 91. So that's a box and whisker plot. All right, so here is another box and whisker plot. This is for a different set of data. Let's say this is ages of people in law school. So you've got the youngest person is 23, the oldest person is just over 29, and the middle right here, that's the median. So the median age of someone in law school is 26. So then we already answered that question. What is the median? The median is 26, because it's right there. It's in the middle of the box. And then the next question is, what is the range of the middle 50%? So the middle 50%, like I just mentioned before, the middle 50% is this entire box. So it goes from 24 right here all the way to 28. So the range of the middle 50% is 24 to 28. The next question asks, what is the upper quartile? The upper quartile is the whisker all the way on the right. The upper quartile goes from 28 to 29 and a fraction. Let's see if we can figure out what the fraction is. So 29 to 30 is split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 29 and one of those pieces that's split into 6 parts. So we end up with 28 to 29 and 1/6.